Welcome back, children. Today we are going to continue the tenses. So in the last class we have seen the three types of tenses: present, past and future tense. And I hope all of you remember, present tense shows actions that are happening now, past tense shows actions that are over, and future tense shows actions that are going to happen in future. This is what we studied. And I've told you that tenses are again divided into different sections, subtopics. First one, present tense is divided into simple present and present continuous. So in the last class we saw what was simple present tense. That is, it denotes the actions that are happening at present, especially habits and general truth. Now we are going to study what is present continuous tense. Okay, so in present continuous tense, it is used to show an action that is taking place at the time when you are speaking. When you are speaking and someone is doing an action at that time simultaneously, we say it is present continuous tense. And for example, I am teaching. Okay, at present I am talking to you as well as teaching. So I am teaching. Isn't it? That's how we say that the action is continuing. Continuous tense, the action is going on. It's not stopping, it is going on. That is the meaning of present continuous tense. And how can you make present continuous tense? Format is am plus verb plus ing. This is the format of present continuous tense. Now what is this am plus verb plus ing? I'll explain to you. When the subject is singular, we use is plus verb plus ing. When the subject is a plural, we use are plus verb plus ing. And when the subject is we use am plus verb plus ing. So I told you, only thing that we can change in a sentence is verb. There are different forms. We can add SRES to the verbs to form present tense, simple present tense. We can use ing form of the verb to form the present continuous tense, ing form. For example, if it is write, it is write plus ing, writing. Okay, walking, talking, jumping, all these are verb plus ing form. We are adding ing to the verb. So that is present continuous tense. It will be more clear when you look at the examples. See, when the subject is singular, what we do is, see, Meena is dancing. Meena is singular. So we use is plus dance plus ing. Is, when the subject is singular, plus verb is dance. Dance plus ing, dancing. So we get Meena is dancing. In the second case, you see, they are dancing. They means it's a plural, not one person, more than one person. So we say they are dancing. They plus are plus dance. They are plus dance plus ing. Are plus dance plus ing. Now, if the subject is I told you the rule of plural. But here in this case alone there is an exception. For I we use a special word, that is am. We don't use am with any other subject. Do we say Meena am dancing? No. We don't say they am dancing. Only with I we use special word am. Okay. So I am dancing. Am is used only with I. Is it clear to you? So a special word for I, that is am. And you. I told you the rule of plural is applicable. So, you are dancing. Is it clear to you? I hope it's clear to you. So, Meena. Meena being singular, we use is plus dance plus ing. They plural, so we use are plus dance plus ing. I, special word I am special, isn't it? So, we use the special word am plus dance plus ing. You are, because you is in you also we use the rule of plural. Okay, you are dancing. I hope it's clear to you. Present continuous tense once again used to show an action that is taking place at the time when we are speaking. Okay, so the format is, are, am plus verb plus ing. Is used when the subject is singular, are is used when the subject is plural, and am is used only when the subject is I. I hope it's clear. It will be more clear to you when you do the exercises given. That is, in page number 55, we have an exercise, that is, to circle the present continuous tense with your favorite color. Shall we do it? Present continuous tense. Okay. So, the first one, the girls are dancing. The girls, it's plural. So, girls plus, are plus dance plus ing. Girls means plural. Grandfather is reading a newspaper. Grandfather is plus, grandfather is one person, plus read plus ing, is reading a newspaper. The next one, Mona and Sona, it's plural. Okay, so are playing for the school team. Are plus play plus ing, are playing. Then D, the cat is chasing a mouse. Cat is singular. So, is plus chase plus ing, is chasing. Then next one E, the cooks are preparing food for the guest. The cooks are plus prepare plus ing, preparing. Cooks being plural, we use are. Then Jane is riding a cycle. Is plus ride plus ing, since Jane is singular, one person alone. I am doing my homework. Next one, I am doing, am plus do plus ing, since the the subject is I. Then H, John is making excuses when his father tells him to do the homework. Is making, is plus make plus ing. Then I think the robber is trying to hide under the camp cot. What is camp cot? A bed which can be folded. Okay, so the robber is trying, one robber only. So that is why the robber is trying to hide under the camp cot. Then last one, are you sleeping? It's a question. Are you sleeping? Actually it is you are sleeping. So which is the simple present continuous tense coming? Can circle are and sleeping. Actually the sentence is you are sleeping. The question form is are you sleeping? Okay, I hope it's clear to you. Okay, then in next page, that is page number 56, we have another exercise. That is, in that one box is given. A box with some words: work, water, listen, sleep, try, pray, yowl and rattle. These are the verbs given in that box. You have to add ing to that words, making it working. Okay, watering, listening, sleeping. By adding ing, you can make ing form of these verbs: trying, praying, yowling and rattling. So, after making the ing form, you have to fill it here. Okay, that's it. The first one is I dash on my computer. So if it is work, working. Since it's I, we have to use am. I am working on my computer. Second one, something dash on my window. Something, we don't know, it's singular. So it's not, it's one sound only coming. So something is, we consider it to be singular, is rattling on my window. Then see, the baby, yes, one baby only, is listening to the music, is listening. Then D, my friends are trying to make a kite. My friends, plural, so are. Grandmother, singular, so is sleeping after the lunch. The gardeners are watering the plants. More than one person, gardeners, so are watering. The impatient drivers are yowling for help. Yowling means calling out. Okay, calling out for help, crying out for help. The impatient drivers are yowling for help. Then I am praying to God for restoring peace in the world. Okay. Sorry, the spelling of peace is peace. Peace in the world. Okay, that's it. So I hope you understood this. First, in the box, whatever words are given, add ing to that. Then you have to add is, are or am with that according to the sentence. That's it. I hope it's clear to you. Okay. Now, in the next page again we have one more exercise, that is, you have to write two actions that are performed in the following places. Some places are given: beach, football match, at market, at school and at restaurant. So these places, what all actions are performed, what all we do, people do, others do in these places, that is what you have to write there. And you have to use simple present tense, as these are habitual actions. So you don't have to use is or am plus verb plus ing. That is present continuous tense. You are asked to do simple present tense. Do you remember the format of simple present tense? What was it? Yes, it was, if the subject is singular, use verb plus s or es. Subject is plural, use the verb as such. That format you have to use. So I will give an example. You can write some other example also, no problem, or you can write the same. At the beach, what all things we do? Actually, children, if it is children, they play in the beach. Adults also play, you can write anything. People or children, you can write anything. Children play in the beach. And the second action is, people make sand castles. There are so many other things that we do in the beach, like flying kites or anything. So you can write whatever, no problem. So two I have written, like that you have to write. So children play in the beach, people make sand castle. See, children is plural, so you don't write plays. We just write children play. People, more than one person. Make, use the verb as such. Now what happens in a football match? The players play. Players, not one person, the players, they play in the football match and people watch the match. Okay, people, more than one person. Then what happens in a market? Market, vendors sell goods. Okay, vendors means the shopkeepers or the person who sells goods. They sell, because vendors, S is there, that means plural. So not only, many shops will be there in a market. So vendors sell goods, not sells. People buy. Okay, buy things in the market. Then at school, what is happening? Teachers teach. Students study. Okay, so like that you should write what is happening in each place. And at the restaurant, what is happening? Waiter brings food and people eat food. Okay, so if it's waiter, it's brings, one waiter. If it's waiters, you can write waiters bring food. If it's a waiter brings food. Okay, people eat food. I hope it's clear to you. Okay, so you can write any other sentence. You can write anything that happens at these places. See that you have to write it in simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. The format, once again I am telling, subject is singular, use S or ES. Subject is plural, you have to you use the verb as such. That's what you have to remember. That's it. Then in the last page, that is page number 58. Again, you have one more exercise that I hope we can do it during the Google Meet. That is to observe your 4 friends. You can know you are at home. You are at home now. It will be difficult for you to watch your friends. So what we will do is we will do it in the Google Meet. So you can watch what your friends are doing and you can write what they are doing in the present continuous form. At present, what they are doing. Okay, so that we will do during the Google Meet. Or else if you have friends at home, nearby neighbors or anywhere, it's advised not to go outside. Okay, so if you have, you can write that also. That is, observe any of your 4 friends and write what they are doing in present continuous form. One example is given, that is, Rose is reading a book. Is plus read plus ing. So if you are talking about 2 friends, Reena and Meena, you can use are reading a book. Okay, so like that, observe the friends and write 4 sentences there by your own. I am not going to write it for you. If you don't have any friends, we will do it during the Google Meet. I hope all of you understood this much. Okay children, thank you. Bye.